Unleashing the power of adjective clauses in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to dive into the intriguing world of adjective clauses. Adjective clauses are wonderful tools in English that can add depth and richness to your conversations. They can make your descriptions more engaging and precise, which are crucial for effectively communicating your thoughts and ideas. So, what exactly are adjective clauses? An adjective clause, also known as a relative clause, is a type of dependent clause that works like an adjective in the sentence. In other words, it describes or gives more information about a noun or a pronoun in the main clause. For instance, look at this sentence. The book, which I bought yesterday, is fascinating. The part in bold is the adjective clause, and it's providing more information about the noun, book. Now, let's talk about where you should put these adjective clauses in your sentences. This placement is crucial as it can change the meaning of your sentence, so listen up. Adjective clauses generally follow the noun or pronoun they are modifying. In the previous example, the book, which I bought yesterday, is fascinating. The adjective clause directly follows book, the noun it's describing. However, if the adjective clause is essential to understand the sentence's meaning, we often don't use commas to separate it from the rest of the sentence. For instance, people who speak multiple languages have more job opportunities. Here, the bolded adjective clause is necessary to understand which people we're talking about, so it's placed immediately after people, without any commas. When we use pronouns in adjective clauses, their placement is dictated by the relative pronoun who, whom, whose, that, or which. These pronouns replace the noun that the clause modifies, and the clause usually follows immediately after the noun. For example, John, who is my brother, is a doctor. Here, the adjective clause is providing additional information about John, and the pronoun who stands in for John in the clause. And there you have it, the essentials of adjective clause placement in English. By strategically positioning these clauses in your sentences, you can paint more vivid pictures with your words, making your conversations far more engaging and detailed. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to incorporate these into your daily English. See you next time. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or would like further clarification, don't hesitate to drop a comment. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.